Hello students, today we discuss about the 5 basic points about Visual Basics. The first basic point is the introduction and the second basic point is the history of Visual Basic. The third basic point is the additions of Visual Basic available, and the fourth point regarding Visual Basic is the features of Visual Basic language, and the fifth point about Visual Basic is the Visual Basic Integrated Development Environment. Myself Yogita, Assistant Professor Computer Science from Government College Rohtak. Now, the first point about the introduction of Visual Basic. All of you know that there are low-level languages and high-level languages, and high-level languages come in the third generation languages. So, Visual Basic is a third generation language. Low-level language or first generation language is a machine language. The second generation language is an assembly language, and Visual Basic is a third generation language. It is highly interactive. It is highly interactive because in Visual Basic has two parts, Visual and Basic. Visual refers to GUI, Graphical User Interface. That is, what you see is what you get feature is supported by Visual Basic language. So it is highly interactive. It is object-based language. Visual Basic.NET, we can say VB.NET is purely object-oriented language, but Visual Basic is an object-based language. Visual Basic language supports the event-driven programming, means nothing happens until an event is detected. What is an event? Event refers to the occurrence of a user action. Suppose you want to submit a form, then you click on the submit button. Here, click is the user event. That means if you don't click on the submit button, then nothing will happen up. You have to click the mouse button. So here click is an event. Now the second is the history of Visual Basic language. History of Visual Basic language, we can say the Visual Basic language released by Microsoft in 1991. It is evolved from the earlier DOS version. Basic, the full form of the Basic is the beginner's all-purpose symbolic instruction code. From there, the Microsoft has released many versions of Visual Basic, from Visual Basic 1.0 to the final version of Visual Basic 6.0. Now we discuss about the third point of Visual Basic language, that is the additions available of Visual Basic language. There are 3 editions of Visual Basic languages are available: Visual Basic Learning Edition, Professional Edition and Enterprise Edition. The Learning Edition is used for the learners, that is used for the beginners. Professional Edition can be used by a company. It has all the features of the Learning Edition plus ActiveX control, internet features and Crystal Report Writer. And the last edition is the Visual Basic Enterprise Edition. It includes all the features of Learning Edition, Professional Edition, as well have the Data Management Tools, Automation Manager and Component Manager. The fourth basic point about the Visual Basic are the features of Visual Basic language. The main features of Visual Basic language are easy to learn and use. It is easy to learn and use because half of the work is done by the Visual Basic language itself and half of the work is done by the user. Suppose you want to draw a button, submit button, and write the coding on it to submit it. Then in other language, then you have to write the coding to draw it, and as well as to write the coding of click or the event associated with that. But in Visual Basic language, we have only to write the coding associated with the click button. There is no need to write the coding to draw the submit button. There are other features of Visual Basic languages, that is, it is object-oriented language. We can say it supports the object-based language. It supports the features of classes, objects, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, inheritance. Now the other features are event. It is an event driven programming language. It is already discussed because nothing happens up until an event is occurred. Event refers to the occurrence of a user action. Visual Basic supports the entire architecture. In client-server architecture, there are two layers, client and server. If there are some layers between client and server, then we can say there is entire architecture. So Visual Basic language support entire architecture. Visual Basic language also support the ActiveX controls. Means if you want to use the functionality of Word, Excel, PowerPoint in your application, then you can use it with the help of ActiveX support. The other feature of Visual Basic language is the internet features. Means if you want to use any document or any application of the internet in your application, then you can directly use that. And the last feature of the Visual Basic language, it is both compiled and interpreted language, because during debugging, that is during the error detection and removal, it acts as an interpreted language. And when all the debugs are removed after the completion of the debugging, then you can execute the program as a compiler. Then compiler works. The next and last basic point of Visual Basic is the Visual Basic Integrated Development Environment. This is the Visual Basic Integrated Development Environment as you show here. The first line you see on the screen, this is the title bar. It shows the name of the project, name of the application, and name of the form. Project, you can say project is the collection of forms. The second part of the Visual Basic Integrated Development is the menu bar, and below that there is the toolbox. On the left side, this is the toolbox. Just as in the Paint you have toolbox, similarly in Visual Basic you have Paint toolbox. In toolbox we have many controls like pointer, text box, label, checkbox, option button, command button, list box, checkbox. On the right hand side of the screen there is the Project Explorer window. There is the Properties window. This is the Properties window. These Properties window show the properties associated with the selected control. Suppose you have select the text box on the phone, then the properties associated with the text box are displayed here. And here in the lower half of the screen there is the form layout window. This form layout window shows the position of your form with respect to the window. This area, form window, this is your working area where you can draw the controls or draw the many objects as required your applications here. All the working comes here. So this is all the 5 basic points of Visual Basic language. Introduction means it is object based language, highly interactive language. History, it is released by Microsoft in 1991 and the latest version is Visual Basic 5.0. And the editions, 3 editions are available for it: Learning, Enterprise Edition and Professional Editions. Features, various internet features are available for it, entire architecture and so on. And the last one is the Visual Basic Integrated Environment. I hope this presentation is useful for you for understanding the basic points about Visual Basic language. Thank you.